Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will give you some tips on how to succeed in life. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. How to succeed in life. Success in life is a subjective concept. It can be mean different things to different people. However, there are some general principles and guidelines that can help you work towards a fulfilling and successful life. Here are some tips to consider. Number 1, set clear goals. Define what success means to you and set specific achievable goals. Having a clear vision of what you want to accomplish will give you direction and purpose. Number 2, work hard and stay persistent. Success rarely comes without hard work and perseverance. Stay committed to your goals and be prepared to put in the effort required to achieve them. Number 3, learn continuously. Never stop learning and growing. Whether it's acquiring new skills, gaining knowledge, or seeking personal development, continuous learning is key to staying relevant and adaptable. Number 4, take calculated risks. Embrace calculated risks and step out of your comfort zone. Sometimes the greatest opportunities come from taking chances and facing challenges heads on. Number 5, be resilient. Life is full of ups and downs. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks, learn from failures, and keep moving forward. Number 6, build healthy relationships. Surround yourself with supportive and positive people. Strong relationships can provide emotional support, networking opportunities, and valuable insights. Number 7, practice gratitude. Cultivate a sense of gratitude for what you have. Recognize and appreciate the positive aspects of your life, no matter how small they may seem. Number 8, maintain a healthy work-life balance. Strive to maintain a healthy balance between work, family, leisure, and personal well-being. Avoid burnout and prioritize self-care. Number 9, be adaptable. Life is constantly changing, and being adaptable to new circumstances is essential. Embrace change and be open to new ideas and perspectives. Number 10, help others. Find ways to contribute positively to the lives of others. Act of kindness and generosity can bring immense satisfaction and add meaning to your life. Number 11, manage finances wisely. Make smart financial decisions and avoid unnecessary debt. Managing your finances will provide stability and freedom to pursue your goals. Number 12, stay positive and optimistic. A positive mindset can help you navigate challenges and see opportunities in difficult situations. Focus on solutions rather than dwelling on problems. Number 13, take care of your health. Physical and mental health are vital for a successful life. Prioritize exercise, healthy eating, and stress management to ensure your well-being. And lastly, number 14, stay true to yourself. Be authentic and true to your values. Don't compromise your principles to please others or conform to societal expectations. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. It's essential to define success on your terms and pursue a path that aligns with your passions and values. Embrace the process, celebrate small victories, and be kind to yourself along the way. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report and presentation on how to succeed in life. I hope that you get something new in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.